Hi, it's 1st of May 2024 and further to our series of what actually happens in a boat dealer. Have a look at this. Here's a beautiful 430 top ender. Took it to another dealer, not working, so I've got two of the people. That's Tyler, that's Shane. Say hello.
There you go.
There's the owner. You happy?
Very happy.
Come with me, have a look at this. What we've got over here, this is one of the service bays. That's Max. Say hello, Max. Max is that good that he services 2 boats at a time. That's right. Come in here, have a look at this. Then up here, we've got this beautiful Haynes signature. That's a service. Over here, what are we doing with this whipper? Dale, say hello, that's Dale. A rewire. Over here, what are you up to?
This is a soul boat.
Soul boat repower, looking at it. And of course over here, the famous Bo and Wayne, we've got a 760 Soul. Come on, come with me, Dan. Hurry up. So what the point is, in a boat dealership, people don't understand. There's so much that goes on every day. What time is it? It's 9:30 in the morning. And of course, here's Corey. This is a sold 420 Renegade, and I told people they should buy them, very hard to get. This is the trim shop. We're putting a new bimini on here because we don't just use that Chinese shies and ours. We make them for the boat. What's the one over there doing, Corey?
That's full cover.
Full cover over there. Down here's one of the Hayneses. There's Annette. Annette's famous. You want to see how straight she can sew. And over here, well, that's a custom boat build because we do all their trim. And here's Christopher. Christopher runs the whole place. He did his apprenticeship here. And this is the man. Have a look at this. Wow. Have a good look at that boat. That's a serious yellowfin. Garmin, radar, the whole works into the service bay. And that's a good point here. You just drive in and out. Someone will meet you, book it in. It's like a car dealer. Over here, this is in the service bay. What do we got here? Looks like a Stacer. Another yellowfin, Polycrafts, a Theodore, we're doing stuff. Up here, come on, have a look at this. 430 cherry picker, because I love them for signs. We detail boats and repair boats up here. That's where Jason. Over here's the detailing bay. Well, we got 520 Cruiser boat and a 610 Trident getting ready to go out for sale. And of course, if you shine over there, you'll never see more Yamaha motors than any other dealer. Now let's go over here. Come with me, Dan. Come on. And of course, we do every boat. Here's a Merc on an older boat. I think we sold that. Here's one that we're doing floors, repowers. Have a look. And when, I'll try and put this on, when we're finished with that old Alleycraft, it'll look brand new. Couple of trailers, because if you've got a problem, we'll even pick your boat up. We've got a whole range of trailers. Even if your trailer doesn't work, we've got a trailer that take a 6.5 metre boat. Have a look at this thing. Now, by the time we finish with that, it's still going to be a burnout wreck. That's my jet boat. I love jet boats. That's my one. The cover's not. We're going to get it. This is a Specialist Sea Addict. Awesome looking boat. And now this is where you pick your boat up when it's ready. Haynes 535. That's a pretty good looking boat, really, isn't it? We sold that one second hand. It's just nice. Over here, this is, hey, secret business. This is the new model Haynes 620R. Now we haven't, oh, wow. You have to come to the boat show to see that. Now, 760 through into 420 Renegade. I tell you, if you haven't got a 420 Renegade, you must be the only person in the world. They're awesome. Parts. And then you come in. Here's Sarah. She's an expert on everything to do with parts, electronics, the whole works. And you know I've told you about YamahaParts.au. Sarah runs it, looks after it, built it, does everything with it. That's right. She's a specialist, knows everything, so you don't get mucked around. Give her a call. And then out here, we come into the yard. We've got over 120, sometimes 200 boats for sale. You know, if you're looking for a Haynes, come here and have a look at this. Most Haynes dealers have 1 or 2. Look at this. Have a look here. The full range, whether you want a 650R, a 580, a 595, a 530, a 490, the 620.
We've got a lot. Quick, Dan, we're losing interest.
And that's Ben. Ben's doing finance, because yes, and Ben's a specialist, he runs it, he's the general manager. So when you want to do finance, Yamaha YMF. It's the lowest, best finance you can get. Don't believe me? Call Ben. And over here, what you'll do is all of our salesmen, and they're all busy in the yard, are specialists. Here's Stuart. I went to school with Stuart, but that's not why I hired him. Stuart's been on boats his whole life. So, when he tells you what's going on, you can believe him, he just tells the truth. Now, there might be a reason we are the biggest trailer boat dealer in Australia, ever. I'll tell you why, because it's our staff. Call the team, call them, test them, 3888 1727.